Hello guys, welcome to another episode, and today's topic is about wheat farming. So today we pulled out our summary as land preparation, how the land is prepared, fertilizer application, how is applied, sowing with different machine, low tech machine, medium tech machine, and a high tech machine, precision one. We are also going to see different growth stage of this winter, from germination to harvesting or maturity. Also combine harvest machine for harvesting, and after harvesting, unloading and packaging in the ventilated bag. So let's start with land preparation. What to know? Land preparation is the bedrock of farming activities. A well-prepared field controls weeds, recycle plant nutrients, and provide soft soil mass for direct seeding. Soil tillage is one of most expensive and a critical operation conducted on the farm each season. Therefore, most of farmers tend to ignore all process of land preparation. The consequence is that raw yields. Never underestimate the importance of proper land preparation, guys. There is a different machine for preparing your land, depending the soil type. This one contains 4 chiseling disc, simple rotary disc tiller, and this one disc hollow. You can see the shape is concave metal disc. Disc is used to till the soil where the crop are to be planted, and also it is used to chop unwanted weed or crop residue. Rotary tiller are sized right for subcompact tractor. Are designed to till the soil for plot preparation. Rotary tiller have rotating knife blades on the front or back that cut through the ground and break up the soil to allow better water penetration and air movement in preparation for planting. So you can see here rotary blade knife, they are rotating and then plowing like that. Rotary tiller lead to better soil. The soil is a very important aspect in agriculture. Good soil equal to better nutrients for your crop to grow. If you cultivate your soil properly, there is high chance of better crop output. Land preparation is the key for wheat farming. Fertilizer application. A little fertilizer at or near planting time can help jumpstart wheat towards successful crop, but producers have careful to apply it correctly. You can see here applying fertilizer, pouring in the machine. Wheat is considered highly crop responsive to starter fertilizer, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus. In sowing, we have 3 technologies. Wheat seed can be sown in 3 methods: broadcast, drilling, or dribbling. This one is drilling and dribbling with this low-tech machine used by smallholder farmers. This is a simple low-cost tech machine for sowing winter wheat, operated with 4 people, as you can see. You don't need a lot of space to plant spacing. So like this one machine, it have 10 centimeter apart interrow spacing. Planning and timing the planting of your crop give it the best chance of flourishing. Winter wheat is usually sown between September to November. The spring is sown in March. The sowing period is comparatively long, which allows for the break of work peak during harvest and sowing. We are sowing winter wheat, and here is November. Differences are made between early sowing, normal sowing, and late sowing. All 3 seeding have advantage and disadvantage. Early sowing from September to late September is carried out with lower seed intensity, resulting in lower cost for the seed. That is advantage. But this is medium tech machine, guys. Early sowing can increase yield, but also it can create a risk of fungal infection and viral infection in autumn. So it's very important to consider this. Normal sowing is done September to late October, and it promises safe autumn development. Late sowing is October to mid-November, and this one is late sowing, guys. The reason for late sowing in winter wheat are diverse, such as adverse weather conditions, prolonged rain that make it difficult for machine to work. This machine, guys, is high-tech sowing machine. It is self-driving with support of GPS coordinates. So you can say it's precision tractor. You just need to start it machine and then it will drive itself. The main advantage of precision tractor when working, it reduces error. That will help you to work in a uniform and a precise manner. So you can see no driver, it's just operating itself. Provide opportunity for better resource management and reduce wastage. So when we rent the low, medium, high cost tech wheat sowing machine. So 3 machine. Growth stage. Variety choice and variety management are key factor for profitable wheat production. Choose variety wisely because some variety could have better yield but contain disease traits. Relying on herbicide for weed control is not sustainable because there is a risk of herbicide resistance. That's why, guys, good land preparation is the successful key for wheat production. Rotate crops and herbicide mode of action. Monitor the crop throughout the season. Control the green bridge before sowing to prevent windborne wheat scale mite from the transferring the virus, which is like these insects. For example, they can cause wheat strike mosaic into a germinating seedling. Inspect the crop regularly to avoid crop damage from sporadic pests such as cutworm, fall armyworm, even armyworm, which can cause serious damage and reduce the yield significantly. So guys, spraying for disease and insect damage in crop is worthwhile. So we conducted different experiments here. You can see lithosphere experiment, nutrient management, farmer practice, nitrogen, phosphorus input, rhizobiant, and also farmer practice. Integrated soil crop system which give high yield. Consider good management that can impact the crop succeeding in a sustainable way and environmental friendly. Wheat grow best in full sunlight, in well-drained loamy soil and fertile. Typically it takes about 7 months to 8 months to reach maturity, harvesting. We plant winter wheat between October to November. This is May and this is late June. It is planted in the fall or early winter, usually between October and November, and it grows over winter to be harvested in the spring or in early summer. Winter type wheat have strong response to venerization that require period of cold weather to flower 0 to 12. In early stage of growth, they are very resistant to -20, but frost resistance is gradually lost toward heading and flowering. Wheat field demonstration showing different technology deployed, including wheat summer maize rotation technology. So you can see here, guys, how wheat and maize can be sown in this demo. 10 cm, 30 cm. Harvesting. It takes 8 months to harvest. Harvesting is done by using combined harvest machine. A combine harvest machine is a specific type of tractor used for harvesting. This is important machine for performing three functions: reaping, threshing, gathering, and cleaning, which allow grain crop to be harvested more quickly and efficiently and allow farmers to harvest more grain. Reaping is the cutting grain to harvest. Threshing is loosening the crop from the husk and the straw. So this machine performs all activities. And winnowing is used for separating grain from the dirt stuff. Modern combine harvester machine, they usually combine 4 operations, which is reaping, threshing, gathering, winnowing, which is cleaning, obvious. So this one planted in October, and now we harvest in July. They separated straw left on the field, and the straw is chopped and spread on the field, and they also can be plowed. Combine harvesters are one of the most economically important labor-saving intention, significantly reducing the fraction of population engaged in agriculture. Imagine all activities: reaping, threshing, gathering, and winnowing. So let's watch how combine machines works. So remember guys, this wheat was sown in October, and now it's harvested in July, so it takes 8 months. So you can see the straw left here. So later on we will not cultivate, so the maize will be planted between this inter-row. So this combine harvester guys is like a symbol for modern agriculture. So let's jump to wheat unloading. Pouring the wheat grain into the trailer after it is harvested, and also you can see the grain itself. So the yield is 8 tons, but farmer they harvest 4 to 6 tons. Unloading to special ventilated bag, which are very good bag guys for controlling post-harvest. Because ventilated bag is undoubtedly moisture protected for the future guys, so from retaining moisture and getting, which result in wastage and fungal diseases like aflatoxin poison, which can cause liver damage and cancer. So thank you for watching guys. See you in another episode. Bye.